So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view saved post videos reels on Instagram. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Instagram account, and you should have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then tap on three line, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now from here you can simply see the option of saved. So tap on it. Then see, here is your saved post, your collections, your reels, your post, your audio and everything. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.